On the occasion of Breastfeeding Awareness Month, we have with us expert Dr. Veena Shinde, obstetrician, gynecologist, Shinde's Medicare Hospital, Mumbai. Doctor, can you tell us why breastfeeding is so important for both mothers and babies?
Absolutely. Breastfeeding provides essential nutrients and antibodies that help protect babies from infections and diseases. It promotes healthy growth and development, and it's beneficial for mothers as well. It reduces the risk of certain cancers and helps with postpartum recovery. Breastfeeding also fosters a strong emotional bond between the mother and child. Firstly, the act of breastfeeding releases oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, which enhances maternal bonding and feelings of love and attachment. Secondly, the close physical contact and skin-to-skin touch during breastfeeding promote a sense of security and comfort for the baby. Thirdly, the eye contact and interaction between mother and baby during breastfeeding strengthen emotional connections and communication. Lastly, the regular and intimate interaction helps in recognizing and responding to the baby's needs more effectively, further deepening the bond.
What is the ideal duration of breastfeeding? For how many months should a baby be breastfed?
The World Health Organization recommends exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months of life. After 6 months, along with the introduction of solid feeds, breastfeeding should continue up to 2 years or beyond, as it provides essential nutrients and strengthens the immune system.
How would you describe the current breastfeeding scenario in India?
In India, breastfeeding is a common practice, but there are significant challenges. While a majority of mothers initiate breastfeeding, exclusive breastfeeding rates for the first 6 months are lower than recommended. This is due to various factors and lack of proper knowledge, inadequate support system, and societal pressures.
What are some of the major challenges that mothers face and how can they be addressed?
The most important challenge that many mothers face is insufficient milk supply, leading to insufficient feeding. This can happen because sometimes the mother's breast milk production doesn't meet an infant's nutritional need. But there is no need to worry. There are several remedies available. Over-the-counter supplements can help boost milk production. Additionally, Ayurvedic supplements have been known to be effective in increasing breast milk supply. It is important for mothers to consult with healthcare providers to find the best and safest option for their individual needs.
Any final message for our listeners?
I encourage all mothers to seek support and information about breastfeeding. It's one of the best things you can do for your baby's health and your own well-being. Let's work together to create a supportive environment for breastfeeding in India.
Thank you, Doctor.